everybody, welcome back to Diecast Together folks. For those who are wondering, why is this Hotwheels studio starting with a scorpion in the background? Let me first tell you about these paint swabs. This is a metallic micro blue shade that is used in the casting, which I shall be reviewing today. As for the scorpion, you will come to know as we proceed in the video, but let me tell you one thing. That sting might be poisonous, but the way this paint stung me in the eyes is positive. I mean, it is evident why I assumed it to be a metal spectra flame finish, because the metal flake finish is so good that you can see the sparkling metal flakes in the paint clearly. Now this casting has Wi-Fi wheels in grey color, and you can even see the side air vents that help to cool the tires, because this sports sedan is so fast that the tires often get heated up at high speeds. Now the two air vents on either side of the front bumper do the same job of cooling the tires, and you can even see the mesh detailing on the lower part of the front bumper, and it also has a front lip for aerodynamics and aesthetics. Now the tiger nose grille is a signature design aspect of the Kia design language. You can even see the old Kia logo as this car was launched in 2019. The detailing of the headlamps is so on point that you can even see the LED headlamp strip running diagonally throughout the headlamp. There are two air vents on the bonnet that are functional. The windshield and the sunroof are a unique piece in the Hot Wheels casting, but in the actual car, of course, they are separate parts with their own mechanisms. Then we have this shark fin antenna, and as we proceed towards the rear, we have these connected tail lamps that give the vibe of the Dodge Charger, but they are different in size and style. But there are the additional badging on the boot lid, but what we can evidently see is the stinger and the stinger on the number plate as well. Then as we come to the base of the car, we can see the Hot Wheels logo in the center, the dual exhaust pipe housing on the towards the rear, and GHB37 is the unique serial code of this casting, the name of the car, made in Malaysia, and yes, it has the code N20, which means that this casting was released in the 28th week, that is in May of 2020, and it has the engine and underbody protection. So I will show you the rear of the car. There is a focus problem. See, yeah, now you can see the stinger evidently. One interesting fact about this casting is that it was designed by Lindsay Lee, Hot Wheels' first full-time lady designer, who also designed the Spectra Flame Green Jaguar A-Type for the RLC series. Apart from that, she has designed many more castings. So now you can imagine why this casting is so well detailed. That is, if you remember the Jag. Now let's talk about the card of this car casting. It is the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. The name of the car written on the card below the car. It is a factory fresh 3 of 10, and the casting number for that year is 198 of 250. Now as we compare the card art and the casting, we can see that there is not much of a difference. It is quite on point, except for the side mirrors which are missing on the casting. So yes, that was all about this review, and yes, there is no point turning this card around and showing the back of it, because there is a huge price sticker on the rear of the car, so then nothing can be seen anyways. So yes, that's about the review of this car. Hope you liked it, and let's meet in another review of mine. Thank you.